Kung ikaw yung tipo na nagbabiyahe na maraming dalang gadgets, ganitong luggage dapat yung gagamitin mo. Kung katulad kita na kapag nagbabiyahe, bukod sa cellphone, you bring in all other stuff like laptop, tablets, camera, drone, then this is really perfect for you. Worth mentioning yung kanya napaka-sleek and modernized design at ang ganda rin talaga ng pinaka-luggage. But what makes this perfect for people like you is because madali mo siya ma-access. Let's say kailangan mo kunin yung tablet, laptop, cellphone, camera mo, then you will be able to easily access that here. So this is the part where you put in your laptops, tablets, and other gadgets, pero madali mo rin sila ma-access while keeping the rest of your luggage secure on the other side. Etong part na to, this is where you put lahat ng mga cables, chargers, and even your power bank and cellphone. Kung makikita mo dito, meron siyang outlet, so that means kahit po nakasara to, you will still be able to charge and use your devices while you're on the go. Ang ganda lang kasi bukod sa regular USB, meron na rin siyang out for Type-C. Sobrang perfect nito. So magkano naman yan? 1,400 pesos lang, meron ka na pong ganitong size na 20 inches that is perfect for your hand carry. Although napakaganda na nitong white, you are free to choose the color that you want or the size that you want. Nga pala, sa lahat ng luggage na na-review ko, siya pa lang yung nakikita ko na naka-steel cable na po yung zipper. Kaya mas matibay. And when you look at what's inside, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng mga separate pouches or mga bags. You already have a built-in organizer. So mas secured na po yung gamit mo while keeping things separate. So meron ka ng organizer sa left, meron ka pang organizer dito sa kanan. And both of which ay hiwalay doon sa quick access area mo. Kaya kung ikaw ay magbabiyahe at marami kang mga dalang gadgets and you need to be able to access them as quickly as possible but still keeping your stuff secure, then this is the perfect luggage for you. 1,400 pesos lang, may maganda ka ng luggage that's all around. Pwede ka pang mag-charge. Click on the yellow basket. Stay safe. I'll see you next time. Peace!